does a face plant onto the planter. Alex, are you all right?
Whoa.
All right, Ben's turn. Did you hit your mouth?
Yeah.
Go, Ben, run. Spin around. No, 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 no. Get him away from there, Alex, could you? There he comes. Oh, he's gonna trip over the cord. Oh no.